So at this point we have all the weight on the left leg. Now sit and form the ball as you move the weight onto the back leg. Extend the arm, rotate the body. If it feels too wide, it'll be right. If it feels just right, it'll be too narrow. Then all the weight comes to the front leg. Don't move the elbows, just turn your center line. So now the left hand is opposite the right elbow. But from here, the arm doesn't really move. It stays in the same place. And then it comes in, the leg comes into line with it. And here, again, the arm doesn't move, just the center line of the body turns. So there's none of this kind of stuff. So you sink, relax the hip joint and the shoulder joint. And keep the hands at shoulder height. Okay. So Michelle extended this arm so you can see the palms are almost opposite each other. Should be back here. Also, she's sticking her elbow out. The point of the elbow should always face directly downwards. Here it's facing sideways. And this hand a little bit, so this arm is curved. And then you couldn't see it from that side, but she slightly lifted her shoulder, which disengages from the center. And now she dropped the hand slightly. So it is, a general rule is that the wrist joint must be level with the top of the shoulder. So this is a bit low.